I've been holding on, holding everything, but who's holding me? I ask myself, at which point does caring end? Feels like I'm walking in circles again, carrying storms that were never mine, trying to read the truth between the lines. Every wave finds its way to my chest, and I'm losing track of where I rest. Every day I'm holding pieces that don't belong to me. Every voice is loud, but mine is growing weak. So I write the things I can't say out loud, trying to find myself in the crowd. I'm lost between the noise and me, trying to breathe, trying to be free. It's heavy on my chest, heavy on my mind. I'm quiet, running out of time, but I know I need to stand. I know I need to rise. I need to step up, reclaim my life. Drop. There's a world of whispers pulling at my skin, stories in shadows trying to pull me in. Some days I wanna scream just to clear the air, but I swallow it down, pretend I don't care. I'm tired of carrying what isn't mine. I'm ready to draw the line. I can't have a real conversation anymore. My voice is fading, my heart feels sore, but deep inside I know the truth. I can't keep losing myself for you. I'm lost between the noise and me, trying to breathe, trying to be free. It's heavy on my chest, heavy on my mind. Step up, reclaim my life, reclaim my life. Maybe caring doesn't end, maybe it just changes shape. Maybe I need to choose myself before it's all too late. I'm tired of holding storms that aren't mine. I'm ready to draw the line. I'm finding me between the noise and me. I'm breaking free between